Wanna know how to collaborate with other people in Google AI Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, you cannot directly start collaboration or sharing your files with other people in the Google AI website itself. So for that, you need to head towards console.cloud.google.com. Now you just simply open up your favorite browser and type in this. And make sure you are logged in with the account that you had logged in the Google AI with. Now once you're there, just select this hamburger icon right here and then hit towards Cloud Overview. Now once you're under Cloud Overview, here you can see your project information. So this is your project name, your project number and your project ID. Now you can just simply select add people to this project. And once you're there, here you can just simply add principals, assign roles. And once that is done, just simply select save right here. And after that is done, you can add people with various emails and stuff. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.